Meaning of houseplant.
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 Houseplant. A houseplant is a potted plant that is grown indoors for decorative purposes. It is typically used to enhance the aesthetics of a room or living space. Houseplants can vary in size and shape, ranging from small succulents and herbs to larger trees and shrubs. They require regular watering, proper lighting, and occasional fertilization to thrive in indoor environments. Houseplants offer numerous benefits, including air purification, stress reduction, and improved mental health. Overall, incorporating houseplants into one's home can enhance the overall ambience and contribute to a healthier lifestyle.